Welcome to Crafty's Snack Hacks. I'm Holden and today we're going to be making a burrito bowl. I know you're tempted to go out for lunch and get a burrito bowl, but when I tell you you can make a burrito bowl at the office, you best believe me, because I'm telling the truth. The first step for this recipe is to take this fabulous Amy's burrito, put it in the microwave, get it toasted. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this bad boy open and throw her in this bowl and put it in the microwave. While we're waiting, I like to be productive, so let's chop up this here cheese stick and get it ready for our recipe. Put it down here and get to chopping. And right on cue, the microwave is complete. Now that our burrito is complete, we're going to go ahead and chop it up. And placing the last bit in there. I don't like to waste when I make a burrito bowl in the office, so I'm going to put this extra ingredient in there in the bottom. So already you can see this is a mighty fine meal. But we're not done there. We're going to keep upgrading this to make it better and better. The next step, remember those cheese chunks we prepped earlier? Here they are, ready for action. I'm going to go ahead and throw these in there. The next step is to put a little guacamole in there. So you could stop here and have a very delicious meal, but why stop there? If your office has additional things, make this the fanciest in-office burrito bowl of all time. So we're gonna take this guac, just gonna go ahead and spoon it, spread it a little bit, get it into our burrito bowl. Oh my God, I'm so excited to try this. We're gonna put a little salsa in there. This is the brand of salsa we're using, but use whatever salsa brand you want. Time for some salsa. Delish. And then let's take a walk on the wild side. Get a little spicy. Just a little drip. You don't want to do too much of this stuff. Maybe you do. Your preferences may vary. I think I saw 5 drops, but you know what? That's okay. Now the last ingredient, again, you might stop here and think this is totally done, and you would be right, but we're gonna add a little bit of Greek yogurt. This stuff's gonna be really good. It's gonna be the sort of sour cream you're looking for in this type of a dish. So let's go ahead and pop open the top. Stir this bad boy up. Go ahead and put a little dollop on top. Now, if you look at this and you say this doesn't look good, you're a liar, because this is delicious and it looks so good and you're gonna love it. But first, I'm gonna love it. So I'm gonna try it. That is so good. Literally so delicious. I'm probably gonna eat this whole bowl. I was having a good day before, but now having a great day. So this burrito bowl is something you can totally make in your office. You just take the microwave burrito, you throw in some toppings, and this is a great pick. Thank you for joining us for Crafty Snack Hack. This burrito bowl is incredible, but what do you like to make in your office? Let us know in the comments below.